Hey everyone, Broker Bill here. I often get asked, what do retirees actually do all day in Delaware? Well, if you're looking at the calendar for the next 14 days, the answer is everything. We aren't just sitting on porches, we're on the trail, at the festivals, and hitting the coffee shops. It isn't a slowdown, it's a level up. Tomorrow, May 6th, start your morning at the Nanticoke Senior Center in Seaford for Danny Short Coffee. It's the best low-pressure environment to meet current residents and hear the real story about living here. May 11th, don't miss the Ice Cream Sunday Social, also at Nanticoke. It sounds simple, but these social hours are where the local travel clubs and card groups recruit their newest members. May 14th, joining the birthday roast beef lunch with live entertainment by Larry Andrews. It's a staple for the local social scene. Delaware State Parks are putting on a clinic for active seniors this week. May 9th, Lewis-Fort Myers, take the history hike through the Pinelands. It's a 1-mile social walk exploring the WW2 history of Cape Henlopen. May 12th, Killens Pond. Join the Senior Scientist program at 11 a.m. This is a naturalist-led flora hike, especially for the 50-plus crowd. You'll get your steps in while learning exactly what's blooming in your new backyard. May 9th, Dewey Beach, the Arts and Fun Festival. Over 100 artists right on the bay. It's walkable, social, and perfectly captures the coastal vibe before the summer crowds arrive. May 15th through 17th, in Dover, it's the NASCAR Weekend at the Monster Mile. Even if you aren't a gearhead, the Miles Beach Fan Zone is a massive social festival with live music and food that brings the whole state together. May 16th in Rehoboth, the Rehoboth Beach Arts Festival at Grove Park. It's tucked away by the bike trail and museum, the perfect spot for a scenic Saturday walk. The consultant bottom line is, moving to Delaware isn't about watching the clock. It's about a calendar so full you'll wonder how you ever had time for a 9 to 5. If you want to live that Delaware lifestyle, see some open houses, or anything else that's going on in Delaware, reach out to our local guides here at Active Adults Realty. Thanks. Bye.